Every time I cross Siddhi Vinayak, I used to pray to the mandir. So Mama said, no, whenever you see a temple, you always pray to the Kalash on top. My entire house is my mom's baby. Seju. There you go. Thanks, Seju.
You know, I eat Shrikhand with thepla.
I think it will taste nice. You smell the waffle cone from basket. ठीक है?
खाना है? Boost है, boost.
Boost है? Please, मेरे को boost दो ना.
अभी चलते हैं Gypsy Corner.
Yes! My addiction for Chinese came from this place. Just take a bite of the bhakri. Just like break it off and dip it in the thecha. Okay. And now just like. Take a piece of onion with it. Try the vada pav. My favorite thing here. Kabudana vada. It's amazing. Basundi in my house we call Zopechi Gori, which means you drink it and you fall asleep.
Is this like Mr.?
मटकी मुझे मटकी ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं लगती, मुझे ग्रेवी अच्छी लगती है. लोग होंगे दुनिया में जिन्होंने कभी पिछला नहीं ट्राई किया है. Like how do they exist? I love pano.
Cheers, Bino. Cheers. Yeah. गुड़ी पाड़वा, महाराष्ट्र न्यू ईयर का ये त्योहार एक नई शुरुआत और उमंग का प्रतीक है. और मुंबई में अगर इस फेस्टिविटी का असली मजा लेना हो ना, तो दादर से बेहतर कोई जगह नहीं. और आज इस स्पेशल तेरे गली में के एपिसोड में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे दादर की गलियां विद वन एंड ओनली मराठी मुलगी सई मांजरेकर. श्रीखंड पूरी का स्वाद, सिद्धि विनायक के दर्शन, शिवाजी पार्क की सैर और ऑथेंटिक महाराष्ट्रन डेलिकेसीज, सब कुछ होगा. और ये होगा एक धमाकेदार असली गुड़ी पाड़वा सेलिब्रेशन. तर चला माझ्या सोबत गुड़ी पाड़वा साजरा करूया. How are you?
You look so pretty.
गुड़ी पाड़वाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा सई.
Thank you. That was amazing. तुम्हाला पण.
दिखाइए मुझे अपना ब्यूटीफुल होम.
My entire house is my mom's baby. This painting's been with us अभी मुझे याद भी नहीं है, बचपन से एकदम मैं जब छोटी थी तभी आया था. And then it's always been right above the sofa in our house always. And I feel like it just brings a lot of like nice vibes.
Yeah.
घर पे आते तो ये पहले दिखता है, तो it's very nice.
This has been your family home?
No, actually we just moved here a year ago temporarily because our building's getting ready.
Oh.
Yeah.
तो पहले किधर रहते थे आप?
पहले शिवाजी पार्क.
Shivaji Park.
I've grown up in Shivaji Park.
So you've always been a Dada girl then?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nowhere else. I'm not allowed to move anywhere else also.
अच्छा.
Yeah. My mother and my father will never ever.
Nice.
उनका बहुत settled है यहाँ पे. मतलब my mom's biggest concern is भाजी वाली. She's like, wow. I was telling her, you know, कि every day I have to like get up in the morning, I sit in the car, I go to Andheri, I go to Juhu or Bandra, and then I come back at night.
Yeah.
क्योंकि all work is there.
Yeah.
So I told her, let's move ना, little bit. She's like, नहीं मेरी भाजी वाली, मेरी fruit वाली, मैं नहीं छोड़ रही.
जाएगा.
Yeah, मैं नहीं छोड़ रही. मैं इसी एरिया में पली पड़ी हूँ. मेरी स्कूल यहाँ पे थी, मेरे दोस्त यहाँ के हैं. अगर मुझे उठ के कहीं जाना हो तो I know that I can get up and go. If I feel like eating in the middle of the night, I know I can take a car and go to my favorite place, which I won't tell you right now. I'll take you there.
So all your schooling and your college was from Dadar?
Not Dadar. My schooling was in Worli and Tardev.
Oh.
But like still closer.
I used to live in Tardev.
Really? That's amazing. I like that area. Swati snacks is my favorite thing in the world.
and
Sardar Pav Bhaji.
गुड़ी पाड़वा morning क्या होता है आपका? Like कैसा scene क्या होता है?
At 7:30 a.m. my mother wake me up saying, Jiu, oot. And then she'd be like, shower right now. Then we shower, we'll do the Gudi Ubharna. There's a mandir right down. It's literally hop, skip and jump. So we normally go there, we'll do our little puja in the morning. We'll take our prasad, we'll come back up, we'll give it to everyone. It depends on what we're doing. If it's like a Satyanarayan puja or like Ganpati, then some people are helping with the preparations and we're, you know, getting the flowers in, decorating. With Gudi Padwa, we make the Gudi and, you know, all of us sit and decorate it together with a little, I don't know if you know what it looks, you know what the Gudi looks like?
Yeah, it's like this, that kalash.
Yeah. So the kalash, we have to put a little bit of like haldi and kumkum. So we do that. Mom makes the best. I think everyone thinks that about their mother. But I'm telling you, my mother makes the best food in the world. For Gudi Padwa, it's normally god varan, rice with ghee, a little bit namak, nimbu, nimbu ka achar. I have to translate these things in my head because ghee, I was going to say toop. So we do that. There's batata katsarya. Or there's this yellow batata sabzi, which is the basic potato sabzi, aloo ki bhaji.
Yeah.
She makes Shrikhand puri and I gorge on it. Like I could live on Shrikhand puri. I could live on sweets basically.
Same.
But just like when Gudi Padwa comes and there's Shrikhand puri in the house, I'm like, yes.
इतनी बात कर ली है श्रीखंड पूरी की, मुझे तो खाने का मन कर लिया.
खाना है?
हाँ.
चलो खा लेते हैं, मैं बता.
अरे नेकी और पूछ पूछ. चलो खाते हैं.
चलो.
Oh wow.
Usually we have our like steel thalis with little food.
Usual क्या रहता है मराठी आपके घर का मील क्या रहता है मुझे बताओ.
On a regular day.
On a regular day.
For example, yesterday there was masala dal, rice, chane ki sabzi, raita, and bhakri.
Oh,
pretty much same. My mom, dad, me, my sister, my brother, all of us love green leafy vegetables. Methi, palak, dill. I'm still trying to translate it. Dill, is it called? Yeah, dill. Love everything, like obsessed. So that is, so they're like once in 2-3 days for lunch. And for dinner is like the special thing that we make called pithi, which is a recipe that's been passed down generations in my dad's family. It's the quickest, yummiest thing in the world. It's like dal but better.
How is it made like? Since it's a fab.
I have to learn. My mom keeps telling me, Jew, learn. Come and learn. And then the second I enter the kitchen, she'll be like, you're disturbing me. Please. Little space. Move out. And I'm like, but you asked me to come learn.
She calls you Jew.
Jew. That's my pet name.
That's a pet name? What does it mean?
Life.
Life. Oh, अच्छा. And सही. बहुत ही cute सा छोटा सा नाम है. इसका मतलब क्या है?
A good friend.
सही.
Yeah.
Oh, such a nice name.
A good friend.
अब फिर आप कोई डाइट तो फॉलो करते ही नहीं रहोगे, मतलब घर पे इतना अच्छा और हेल्दी खाना मिलता है.
I mean, मैं दिन में डाइट नहीं फॉलो करती, मैं रात में करती हूँ. मैं बहुत अजीब हूँ वैसे. मैं दिन में जो भी घर पे बना होगा खा लूँगी. But at night I'll do like a soup and like a small thing. बस उतना ही करती हूँ मैं. ज़्यादा कुछ.
बहुत बात कर लिया. I can't wait.
Keju. Rutix. There you go. Thanks, Seju. Lots of love, bro.
Wow. कितनी क्यूट पूरी होती है ना ऐसे छोटी. Thank you.
हाँ मी टाकते. I will take some very besharmi se because I love this.
Please go for it.
So much. Have you ever? This is Shrikhand. Have you ever tried Amrakhand?
Amrakhand, yeah.
I'm obsessed with Amrakhand.
I feel like anything sweet, I'm in for it. I'll just try.
I know, it's like the best.
Yeah. I have this weird combinations of food, like, you know, I eat Shrikhand with thepla.
Honestly, I can imagine it. I think it'll taste nice.
Yeah.
My favorite thing in the world, I don't know why the mangoes have not come in like proper season yet. Yeah. They have, but my amras puri and me are like
such a proper Sunday weekend meal, na? Like, खाना बनाने का शौक है आपको?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा. I love making food and my friends love eating my food. So every time my friends come home, I make something for them and they love it. So then they give me like a MasterChef like response. I like how this is cutting the balance and this and that. And I just eat, bro. Like, don't eat it. I make like really good pav bhaji. I make nice chocolate chip cookies. I make the best anda burji. Paneer butter masala really well. I make Chinese food because my favorite. I'm trying to learn. I have video like voice notes from my mom She was not in town, and my friends were coming home, and I wanted to make food. And I wanted to make pav bhaji. And I have like 7-8 minute voice notes from her saying, "Cooker ughad, mat ja tomato tak, bhajya ghal." And like it's a 7 to 8 minute one, so I was on 1.5x, and I was doing it quickly. So all my recipes I have to get like sort of vetted from my mother, otherwise they're not going to come out properly.
Do you live with your parents now?
Yeah, very much so. But they're both not in town, funnily enough. They're actually always like, my dad's always shooting. Mom is gone to, I could have.
So, like, what's your take in independency? Like, आजकल के Gen Zs, they prefer living alone and not with their parents.
I mean, whatever floats your boat, honestly. जो आपको comfortable लगे, जो आपको अच्छा लगे. I like living with my parents. I feel like it sort of grounds me in a certain way, where I don't know, they can still yell at me, they can still tell me what time to come home.
Yeah.
And tell me that I have curfew. They can still sort of manage my finances.
Yeah.
They can still
they
feed
still
me.
do?
My mom does. I don't have the energy and patience.
हर महीने बैठो. But it's sort of have a discipline, you know, when you are living with your parents and.
Exactly. So like, you're a little answerable to someone, which I like. I prefer it that way because I don't know if I'm unanswerable what I'll be doing. So there'll be no discipline in my life. Like, I go for a walk every day at 6:30 in the morning, and I know that if I don't go and at 10 my mom sees me, she will give me a little tana. So that'll make me want to go in the morning.
Want to go.
So that just works for me like that.
So काफी deep बातें हो गई है. I want to play a quick fun game with you before we go on this exploration.
Done. I'm very excited.
ठीक है. Game का नाम है गली गली में. Okay. I'm gonna ask you a few questions. You have to answer me, and we'll see कि आप कितना जानते हो दादर के बारे में.
Oh no. Okay.
Okay. Park in Dadar where all famous cricketers have done their training.
Shivaji Park.
ये बस warm up था.
I was so excited. I was ऐसे ही questions पूछूं.
Okay. Mumbai's most famous Hindu temple built in 1801.
Siddhivinayak? Correct, no? Huh.
Yeah, correct. 3 famous markets of Dadar.
Dadar flower market. Dadar fish market. I mean, it's quite famous. And Dadar sabzi market. I don't know.
You're
That's
just
the market I go to.
fish and sabji.
रुपेश ऐसा सांगा ना. 3 market दादर.
नहीं आज आपकी फैमिली नहीं हेल्प करेंगे आप बोलो अभी.
तुम्हाला पण नाही माहिती ना.
फिश आपलं फ्लावर मार्केट आहे.
हां.
आणि त्याच्यानंतर कपड्याचं मार्केट आहे.
कपड़ा.
You put him on spot.
अच्छा ठीक है. फ्लावर कपड़े और
मनीष मार्केट.
मनीष मार्केट. I just call कपड़े का मार्केट.
Okay. 3 famous vada pav stops.
Ashok Vada Pav. I don't know my favorite. I don't know the famous ones. Shivaji Park. Vada Pav. I just go eat. I don't look at the name. Sarang Vada Pav.
Is it a very local?
Yes.
Yeah.
अच्छा. Okay, tell me 3 Maharashtrian slangs.
3 Maharashtrian slangs. Okay. Ayya. Aiga. Isha.
What does that mean?
Isha.
मतलब?
It's just I can't explain it.
अच्छा, it's just an expression. मतलब.
Like you're getting shy.
Oh, okay. One slang that your mom always gives you, like.
She never says it to me, but I like that word. It's called bowlot.
Okay.
What does it like? A little bit. Bowlot.
और जब पापा की सनकती है या फिर गुस्सा होते हैं तो फिर क्या बोलते हैं वो?
सच्ची बोल के बताओ.
हाँ.
नहीं मैं नहीं बोलती. रास्ते पे किसी और गाड़ी पे सनक गई तो अलग बात है.
श्रीखंड पुरी खा लिया हमने. अभी बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना है.
Yes.
तो चलते हैं फिर.
चलो let's go. I'm excited.
वैसे आपने कहा है कि आप सुबह हमेशा मंदिर जाते हो गुड़ी पाड़वा के दिन में. तो आज कौन सी मंदिर जा रहे हैं हम?
सिद्धिविनायक भी हो?
ओह नाइस.
चलो let's go.
चलो चलते हैं.
हम आधा टाइम तो यहाँ से वहाँ एक जिमी बॉयज करके बेकरी है. We get like those packets and all of that, and that is where we are normally going. There is another place here जो रात को 5 बजे खुला होता है. Which we walk it up. It's called Kalluz Rajput.
कल्लूज राजपूत.
हाँ, पता नहीं एक्चुअल नाम क्या है. हम तो वही बुलाते हैं. And it's open till like 5 AM.
What?
So whenever, yeah, and you get like the best food there. Like this cheap pav bhaji is to die for. वहाँ पे एक salty rice मिलता है. There's a new place that opened up in Dadar called Mogo, which is like a Korean place.
Yeah.
And it's been so much fun because now we don't have to go too far to
Yes.
kind of get. मतलब सभी है अभी यहाँ पे तो मजा आता है. And yeah, so this is a circle. There's this place called Ganga Vihar. That's where my dad's office was, inside this lane. So whenever we used to go to dad's office, यहीं से खाना आता था. And this is the lane that opens at Shobha, which is another very famous Dadar. So this is Sandesh. This is where all our samosas and
Sweet.
rasmalais come from. Best. Wow. I have never actually thought of it like this. I love it.
तो ये सारी आपने अपनी फेवरेट हैंगआउट स्पॉट्स बताई है.
हाँ जी. नहीं बहुत है और ये तो मैं एक गली की बताई है.
If I'm not wrong, this is the Kandil गली as well.
This is where you buy candles from Diwali.
हाँ.
इधर ही मिलते हैं.
आप दिवाली के वक्त आते हो इधर में दिवाली शॉपिंग करने?
Diwali shopping, Holi shopping, everything I do here only. All my Diwali candles, rangoli stencils, all come from here. If you go left is where I grew up.
Oh.
It's in this like tiny lane there.
Yeah.
This is the restaurant called Goa Portuguesa and Dakshin Culture.
Your old house?
यहाँ से left मेरा पुराना घर है, where I fully grew up.
अच्छा.
There's this Medu Vada stall here that serves like mini Medu Vadas, and my brother holds the record there for eating the most in 5 minutes, which is 20 Medu Vadas in 5 minutes he's eaten. This is Paul's Chinese. My God, and that status. Paul's Chinese has such yum food.
Wait, you're a proper foodie, हाँ?
Yeah, मुझे कुछ भी
और हर गली का पता है आपको कि यहाँ पे ये मिलता है, यहाँ पे. You're the perfect foodie friend.
Yeah, 100%. Like I love it. So now if you go here, जो पीछे Scottish tickets है ना? हाँ, so if you go like right from here, this is one way. But if you go that way, there's Bombay Scottish the school. हाँ. उसके सामने there's Harish, which gives the best Frankie ever. He puts Lay's in it. मेरे एक पुराने घर के सामने वाले एक मामा होते थे, मामा और मामी, they used to be there. And because I was a big foodie, I was also quite big.
No, come on.
Yeah. I'll show you my बचपन का photos. You won't believe it. Let me show you. Wait, चलो मैं सबको दिखाई देती हूँ. तो खुलासा कर रही हूँ मैं आज, किसी को नहीं दिखाया मैंने कभी.
Curly Tails gets exclusive look.
Pretty much. But I was like the biggest foodie, so sometimes mom and all used to be like घर पे खाना खाओ, बाहर का नहीं, like no Lays, no chocolates, nothing. So मैं मामा से बोलती थी please दे दो, and he used to always give it to me. I think अभी तक उधारी बाकी होगी शायद. That's me.
No way.
There, yeah.
Oh my God, let's show it to the cam once. That's so.
I'll do a quick look. I want to show you more.
I can't believe this. That's sahi. I can't believe this.
Yeah, so I was a really like big foodie, and I can't explain the haircut to you. I will not try to explain the haircut to you.
All girls had that face. Bob haircut.
Bob तो ठीक है. मेरा तो पूरा boy cut. यहाँ पे अशोक वड़ा पाव भी है, वही गली के अंदर है. My friend lives. So my friend lives in the same like stretch as Ashok Vada Pav. So now at Ashok Vada Pav बड़ी lines होती है ना. Now because we've been going for the past 20 years, you just say my friend's dad's name and they'll give it.
Really?
Yeah, I won't tell you her name. फिर ना सब यूज़ करने लगे.
मेरे कान में बोल दो, एटलीस्ट मुझे पता चल जाए. हम आ गए हैं.
मेरे पास नहीं, पर आप इधर ही होते हो.
हाँ, इधर ही होते हैं.
So every time I cross Siddhi Vinayak, we pray. So बचपन में I used to pray to the मंदिर. So mama said no, whenever you see a temple, you always pray to the kalash on top. वहाँ पे देखिए you make prayers because that's always where the God is down. Bachpan mein I used to watch Oh My Friend Ganesha, no?
Same.
And I used to try on my Murti to talk to my Murti, thinking it will come to life. And I feel like that's where the whole, funnily enough, that's why I started talking to Bappa a lot. Like I feel like I can actually have a conversation with Bappa. Like even in the car, if you see, all our cars have Ganpati in.
एक गणपति statue होता
ही है. Those 11 days, I am literally like, I say, every time Ganpati starts, something I won't put on weight this year. I will not. I will eat little bit. And somehow, eventually, गणपति खत्म होने तक मेरा 2-3 किलो बढ़ गया होता है. It's like impossible. Like we have different days and we all sit together and discuss the menu for the next day.
Yeah.
And we are at Gypsy.
Is this one of your go-to places?
Yeah, so that's Gypsy Chinese and this is Gypsy Corner. My addiction for Chinese food, like I am addicted. I could eat Chinese food for breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner and not complain ever. Came from this place.
Yeah, Chinese is something that you'll never get bored of, you know?
Yeah, 100%.
रात के 3 बजे भी you're like, क्या खाए? Chinese.
So my addiction for Chinese came from Gypsy Chinese. And Gypsy Corner is like, you get pani puri, you get your Marathi, proper Maharashtrian khana and it's delicious. So like, upas kabhi करते हैं ना, तो उस दिन we used to come here and have sabudana khichdi, sabudana vada. It's damn good.
शिवाजी पार्क है यहाँ से.
Oh, do you smell the waffle cone from basket?
It's like every conversation I start saying has some food element to add on it.
Donuts, when I was very small, it opened for the first time, and I was like, oh my god, donuts. And this is Balmohan. This is where my brother went to school. My sister went to school. So वहाँ पे वो आपको garden दिख रहा है जहाँ पे सब खेल रहे हैं?
Yes.
I used to play there every evening. Every evening I used to be there. यहाँ पे अगर मैं morning में आती हूँ, so I just take 4 rounds of Shivaji Park. It's like a thing. ठीक है?
इडली खाना है?
क्या है? Hello. क्या है?
बूस्ट है, बूस्ट.
बूस्ट है? Please मेरे को बूस्ट दो ना.
2 बूस्ट.
I look for boost everywhere.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm from Tardeo. Marine Drive जाके सबसे पहले boost.
All my friends have chai, but I'm having boost all the time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. ये दो.
एक और
यहाँ दे दो.
मेरे को.
एक और. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
I already had it. Sorry. मस्त है, बहुत मस्त है. आप इधर ही होते हो? शिवाजी पार्क में होते हो? या यहीं पे नानी पार्क? चालू तो कितने बजे तक होते हो?
हम होते हैं 2 बजे तक
रात के. अरे बाप रे. ठीक है.
So सही, आपकी एक्टिंग की करियर कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई? दादर से?
बैंड्रा से. मेरा पहला शॉट महबूब स्टूडियो में था, साइड से बैंड्रा से. और एक्चुअली growing up in Dadar, more than that, growing up with dad and mom, there used to be इतने frequently लोग आते थे जो इतने बड़े artists थे. Used to be very inspiring and very cool to hear their stories. They used to come sing, act, perform, dance, and it was very inspiring to see that. And I feel like that's where the kind of Kida started.
Yeah.
And it's been going on since then.
Yeah, because आपके डैड भी बहुत ही नाम वाले डायरेक्टर हैं, and your mom is also a Marathi actress. So like ये पहले से ही था that you wanted to be an actress?
I knew I wanted to be something related to film. I didn't know what, because I didn't look like I could be an actress. I showed you a photo.
Yeah.
आपको लगता? आप सच्ची बोलो. So I knew that I wanted to do something in films. Secretly I wanted to act, but at that point I didn't look like I could kind of be an actor. And eventually, I think when Dabang happened, I kind of saw a change in myself. I started looking more like a girl and not like a tomboy. And I felt a little nicer about myself. And wahan se I think I was like, you know what, this is what I want to do with the rest of my life. Because it's what I like doing. I've always liked doing this. So I'm going to work hard to kind of fit that part and look a certain way.
Cool. अभी चलते हैं जिप्सी कॉर्नर.
Yes!
मस्त खाना खाते हैं. जो भी आप बोल रहे हो, साबुदाना वड़ा, ये वो सब खाना है मुझे.
खाते हैं, बहुत मजा आएगा। आई हैव नॉट बीन इन लाइक कपल मंथ्स, आई एम एक्साइटेड। So we have ordered पिठले भाकरी,
हाँ,
we have ordered kheer, we have ordered sabudana vada, we have ordered khawna and matki ki usal, and we have ordered green vada pav, which is yummy, and we called for Piyush, and now we're just waiting for that side. क्या है?
ये क्या
पिठलं भाकरी,
Ah,
तांदळाची भाकरी आणि पिठलं.
झुणका,
ट्राय झुणका.
I love झुणका.
झुमका।
Oh my god, this is झुणका is like a drier, spicier version. Thank you. Oh my god, I don't think I've been this excited in a while. Okay, just take a bite of the bhakri. Just like break it off and dip it in the thecha.
Okay.
Now for झुणका, just like scoop it up a little bit. Like this, like the pitla. And now just like. Okay. Sometimes I do like a pitlo and like a.
Oh. Fine, even I'll dip now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take a piece of onion with it.
Add पे add पे add.
It's like delicious.
Taste और enhance हो जाता है।
It's amazing. Okay, let us try my favorite thing here.
साबूदाना वड़ा।
It's like so airy.
Today we are going to see Sai Manjrekar's daily
My
routine.
god. I love it so much. My pitla bhakri was like delicious. झुणका is yum. This is the first time I'm trying the vada pav here, but this, my god.
श्रीखंडपुरी.
Thank you.
इनके श्रीखंड अलग दिख रही है।
हाँ. Let's try everything. There's a lot of food
Oh my
coming.
god, this vada is so good.
Isn't it?
गरम गरम इतनी अच्छी लग रही है। This is just going to be one ASMR reel. But is this a misal?
Matki. Usal.
Difference क्या है?
I don't know. It is called usal and that is called misal. This is matki की usal.
ये बनता है आपके घर में?
मटकी तो बहुत बनता है। मैं ना, मुझे मटकी ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं लगती, मुझे ग्रेवी अच्छी लगती है। मैं मटकी नहीं खाती, मैं उसकी ग्रेवी खाती हूँ। Bro, I've eaten this after so long. I'm like in heaven. I've eaten very badly and messy.
That's how we are supposed to eat. हाथ से मस्त. Okay. I don't want to disturb you, but let's play a quick fun game.
Done.
Okay. The game is called this or that.
Okay.
ठीक है? वड़ा पाव या पाव भाजी?
वड़ा पाव.
पोहा या साबूदाना खिचड़ी? साबूदाना खिचड़ी. पोहा? Both. You're like not choosing one thing.
Can't pick.
Okay. All right. You said this was
झुणका.
झुमका. And then झुमका and भाकरी. तो झुमका भाकरी या पिठला भाकरी?
पिठला भाकरी.
Okay. मोदक या श्रीखंड?
मोदक.
कांदा पोहा या बटाटा वड़ा?
बटाटा वड़ा.
भेलपुरी या पानी पूरी?
पानी.
मेथी थेपला या आलू पराठा?
आलू पराठा.
ओके. साबूदाना खिचड़ी या साबूदाना वड़ा?
साबूदाना वड़ा. Like no brainer.
नो ब्रेनर. कचौरी या समोसा?
Kachori, currently, I don't like samosa very much. It's not my favorite thing in the world.
गुलाब जामुन या जलेबी?
गुलाब जामुन.
ओके. ऑलराइट. कोल्हापुरी मिसल या नासिक का मिसल?
कोल्हापुरी misal.
It's very spicy ना कोल्हापुरी.
It's amazing. They give this curry on top that is outstanding.
ओके. कोथिंबीर वड़ी या बटाटा वड़ा?
कोथिंबीर वड़ी. I love कोथिंबीर वड़ी.
खरवस या आमटी?
Both. I'll take both. I love kharvas so much. My God, I love kharvas. Yeah, kharvas.
If you think अगर कोई एक मराठी दो डिजर्ट के बीच में कंपटीशन हुआ तो वो कौन से दो डिजर्ट होंगे और कौन जीतेगा?
Kharvas will 100% make the cut for me and basundi.
बासुंदी.
I can't choose both. It's like the best thing in the world. Basundi in my house we call Zopechi Goi, which means you drink it and you fall asleep.
Yeah.
It's like literally if you ever want to fall asleep really fast, have a big like chug of Basundi, you'll be fine. You fall asleep.
Okay.
Shall we now try the vada pav?
We can.
Right. Still quite hot.
Thank you.
I need the mirchi. It's very hot. Please don't be too hot. Yum.
It's hot.
Well, good, no?
Good. वो कांदा अच्छा लग रहा है.
Big sandwich.
Yeah. We'll play another game.
Okay, done.
ठीक है? It's called Would You Rather.
Would you rather? Okay.
Yeah. So would you rather live in a world with no social media for a year or no sweets for a year?
No social media. I don't like social media that much anyway.
Sweets के साथ कोई compromise नहीं कर सकते, please. Okay. I'm gonna go for the Shrikhand Puri, please. Sweet tooth तो यार, I can't resist. Thank you.
I love panno. This is my first panno of the mango season, so I'm very excited. Have you ever tried panno?
I think I have not.
It's delicious, made out of curry. And it's just that you tried it already.
I didn't.
Try it.
Cheers, vegan wishes. Yeah.
I love curry panno. And my mom makes lovely panno. And this is my first panno of the season, so I'm very happy.
Okay. Would you rather have the ability to time travel or read people's mind?
Read people's minds.
And who is the first person's mind you want to read?
My director. I will know everything he's thinking. I will be in his mind.
Eat Maharashtrian food for the rest of your life or international cuisine?
Maharashtrian.
Get a chance to act in a historical movie or a futuristic
Historical
sci-fi?
movie.
Oh.
I really want to do a historical movie, like a period drama. Really, कब से करना है?
Never have to sleep again or never have to eat again?
Never have to sleep again.
खाने के साथ कोई compromise नहीं कर रही हो आप?
कभी नहीं करूँगी.
Have a pet tiger or a pet elephant?
Pet elephant, I love elephants. I mean, I love tigers. I already have 2 cats and they're no less than tigers.
Okay, this is interesting. Have unlimited wealth or unlimited knowledge?
So I have the unlimited knowledge.
I feel like I'm inside your heart.
Yeah, you are. Technically, this is all I dream about all day.
This is what Sai's heart looks like.
Yeah, but as you can see, once I start eating pitla, no, I'm not really moving to anything because it's just the yummiest thing in the world. I can't. You want to bite?
I feel like you love spice.
I literally obsessed with spicy food.
Heart की बात कर ही रहे.
हाँ.
अपने heart की बताओ मुझे. Love life. शर्मा क्यों नहीं आप बोल रही?
Between God and me and one more person.
अच्छा.
Or no person. You will never know. I'm actually very private about.
Are you more like keep it private till it's permanent?
Yeah, I am, because why not? I believe a lot in nazar and evil. I am too like, if something good is happening to me, I will not jump at the opportunity to go tell everyone. I will wait for that thing to actually like happen before I tell people. I'm like, and I've learned that the hard way. My friends used to keep annoying me. Mat batana sabko. I'm a big mouth, blabber mouth, so I used to tell. And then after that, after a couple of experiences, मैं कभी नहीं बताऊंगी.
Nazar is a thing.
It's so bad.
And what's more lined up for Sai? Like हम आपको कहाँ और देखना चाहेंगे?
Hopefully theaters may soon, whenever the release happens. I don't know when my films are releasing now, but I'm very excited for them too. It's a different look in both the films. I'm excited about, like, there's one film that's based in like 1905, so it's like I was very excited to shoot that.
Historical.
Yeah, I love that. So I think that one I'm very excited about. Yeah.
Do you like OTT or cinemas?
Personally, I like watching films in the theater because of the whole experience of it. I can go make a day out of it, get some popcorn, get some coke, again food, get some food basically. Have fun.
और बचपन से आप अपनी मम्मी को भी like obviously आपने सिर्फ theaters में ही देखा रहेगा, so there's always been like कि मुझे भी अपने आप को इसमें
Exactly, like mom and dad, I used to see them on screen so much, and now there's already puri here. I'm gonna,
पूरी को किसी की भी चीज के साथ डिप कर लो.
yeah, I wanna try
It's the
the
best.
puri and the.
Do you like kishmish?
I don't like kishmish. I
Don't like kishmish?
No.
So many people don't like kishmish, yeah?
My
Food
God, try
coma.
that. Try that.
Food coma.
Try that.
I've never tried so many things at the same time.
Okay, well. But it's delicious. Take the same also.
हाँ.
Yeah. I'm really ready to go take a nap now. गुड़ पोना है घर पे जाके.
Good job.
I'm so glad that we did this.
Me too.
And मेरा बस चलता है तो मैं रोज आपके साथ वीडियो कॉल लेती और खाना खाती.
आपने बोला ना 5-6 दिन है आपके पास.
हाँ तो चलो खाना खाते हैं 5-6 दिन.
पूरी गली घूमेंगे हम. But it's been so nice talking to you, yaar.
Lovely. Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going back to my pitlow.